Good day, trader. My name is Wasku Smart. So, welcome to my Wasku Smart FX YouTube channel. So, today's video, I'll be talking about the swing point phantom related to the time of the day. So, that's what I'll be talking about today. Go with me as we start. Can do me a favor by subscribing to my channel, liking my videos, and comment on things you feel like I can add, or things that what happens when you try the strategy yourself. You try it. So on my last video, I talked about a trade recap where I was talking about how I entered the trade, the strategy used, and how I win the trade, how I won the trade. So this this last week, or this week we just ended, this trading week we just ended, another swing point occurred which I traded. So I want to ask you a question. Do you use this strategy to trade? If yes, then congratulations, you won this week also, because on Monday, so that's um on Monday, that's 23 October 2023, the swing point occurs. The swing point occurs. So I will show you how I break down the swing points for the trade. So this swing point occurs. I will show you how I break it down for the trade. So we have a swing point occurs. As I said, today's topic is just time of the day in conjunction with swing point. So I told you before what a swing point means. It just means it's a reversing pattern on gold, mostly on gold. I've already tried. I usually use it on gold most time. For a 4 hours, it is a reversing pattern whereby market is buying. Market can be buying, then when they get to a point, they want to reverse. They took to use the reversing pattern, which is called the swing point phantom. So now what I usually do is that when I saw this trade here, it's when got validated. The time of the day there is that between 2 to 5. That's for the London kill zone. But if you check this candle is 5 to 8. And don't forget that the 8 o'clock is actually a New York section. So that's why I use this candlestick. So I think I've conjured this. So this is a red. So that's just I was looking at this whole scenarios that happen here when it's validated. So let's go down to lower time frame and see what happens in the lower time frame at that particular junction or point. Okay, now this is 15 minutes. When I was teaching about the swing point phantom, I said after you found something like that in the 4 hours chart, what you have to do is that you bring it back to the 15-minute time frame, then for you to see the real structural analysis. Okay, this is when we are looking at on 4 hours, 23 October 23. Okay, this is October 2023 that we are looking at on 4 hours chart. Now let's look at something else. You can see that we saw you can see that the structure itself is giving us a bearish momentum, whereby we are bearish here. You can see market break the structure here. You can see the structure being broken, and the next one market will trace back up. Then when market will trace back up, we actually be expecting market to trace back to this block that is here, right? So we are expecting market to trace back to this block that is here, but that's not the Q. The key point is that we are bearish at the lower time frame 15 minutes. But when we get to this place, we saw a swing point being validated here. You can see this is a candle that validates the swing point. You can see the candle that validates it on the higher time frame 4 hours. So we saw this on the higher time frame 4 hours, and in a neutral form of our trading, we can say let's wait for this to be our selling point. But for the swing point phantom, the whole things that need to happen is number one, the institutional reference level. You can see the institutional reference level, which is 1980. You can see this line here. This is an institutional reference level 1980. Number two, time of the day. The time of the day of this high occurring is 5 o'clock New York time. So which means that we are in the London Q zone. So that's number one. Number two, and the number three is that we saw a validated swing point on higher time frame. So these three things have come together and they have given us a audible strategy to work on. So the next thing we have to do is that we need to use our Fibonacci, then from the high to the downside. So we choose 50%. So these are 50%. Then our target. You see now the next target now is the low of this candle. So that's our target. So another thing is that when we have this structure being broken, we want to see market retrace to at least the premium side before we can sell. So you can see market retrace back to the premium side, but because market did not get to you can see the premium side above 50% is called the premium side. So market goes from premium to discount, then market will trade back to the premium aspect before selling back. So not necessarily that market will come to the order block or any demand, any supply block for you to sell. You just coming back into this range. So if I look at the POIs inside this range, I can say this order block, I can say this fair value gap. So those are but yeah, the reason why I took this trade was because of what I saw on the 4 hours. So you can see how market. So let me show you my Telegram channel or how I enter the trade, and it's kind of so you can see it how everything works. And this is trade here. You can see it here, gold sell limit entry 1976 20. You can see 1976, yeah, 20. That's our 50% level. So let me show you. This is trade here. How I took the trade before it happens, and this is here. Okay, I think okay when the trade was going on, this I think I have minutes. Okay, we took many trade along the line. So this is here when it was about to hit the take profit, and you can see it here. Gold take profit hit 120 pips. So this is when it hit the take profit. So that's it. For the shrink point phantom, you can watch my the video I done in the past. The video I done in the past to check. I have done a lot of breakdown on it also. How you can able to see. So the important thing there is the institutional reference level. You need to be able to identify and see your institutional reference level. That's the key. If you don't know it, if you cannot see it, then you are not trading it. But this is trade here. You can see we have another swing point that occurs. That's last week for the buy. I took this one also. We have this also. We missed this trade here before news come up and it. So we have this, and we have many trades occurring on it also. But for today, this is what we learned. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. And if you want to join the Telegram channel, there's a link in the description. Just click on the link and join. So thank you very, very much. Next video coming up. So I'll be starting another new series. Thank you.